Alright, here we are. We're going to take up the slow poke today, folks. She is called a slow poke for a reason. Alright, let me back up a little bit here.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Come in for a landing here. Yeah, there you go. Now that's how you do that. Get turned around here. Whoa. Turn around. We're going to take off actually into the wind this time. Do a nice slow poke pass. She's going crazy.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Now I'm traveling in high rates right now. I'll bring her in for another landing here. Alright, let's get turned around here. There's like no wind today, so. I'll do a nice high-speed pass here. All right. We'll bring her back for a landing. All right, folks, there you go. That is the Durafly Slowpoke. You know what? We got time for one more flight, because you know I got to do it one more time.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
A little bit of rudder correction there. All right. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Durafly Slowpoke. Sold by Hobby King, manufactured by Durafly, which of course is a Hobby King brand. Thank you for watching, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird.
Motor off.
Motor off. That's what you want to hear.